So don't you get annoyed when they do a lens review, they just like sit there in their desk, talk about the lens and not actually showing what is the lens doing, like show me the lens in real life, you know? So this is why I'm making this video, because I borrowed this lens, the Fujifilm XF 56mm f1.2 for a project. I had some portrait to shoot, and I just wanted to play around with it and see what does it give with the Fujifilm X-T4 in low light. I just wanted to try the Fujifilm X-T4 in low light. So I'm going to a gig tonight. I love music, I love photography, so I'm like, oh, okay, I'm gonna take this lens with me and I'm gonna assess how the Fujifilm does in low light with a lens like this. So instead of talking about it and staring at the brick wall, why don't we go out and see how you can use this lens in low light during a gig? Why not? Let's go.